Hello and welcome to Brooker's Denver X-ray Conference booth. Unfortunately, we're not able to meet in person this year, but we'd like to show you some of our amazing technologies.
Now take a walk with us down the hallway as we visit the X-ray applications labs here in our Madison, Wisconsin facility.
This is the newly released D8 Discover Plus. The key features are the new design of the goniometer called the Atlas goniometer. Supports heavier stages and sources, has higher accuracy. This source is the IMUS microfocus source. It also supports a rotating anode in theta-theta geometry. Large stage for large mapping. The detector is the Eiger-2 500K multi-mode detector for all applications. And this system also has a non-coplanar arm that allows the detector to swing out for in-plane grazing incidence measurements.
All right, so we're here with the D8 Advanced Defectometer, and this system is set up to do PDF analysis, or pair distribution function. So what you're going to need as your tube is either a moly or silver tube, so a hard radiation. My system is set up with the primary optic as a focusing global mirror, so it's going to allow you to really focus the beam down. Coming off of that primary optic, we have what we refer to as a scatter guard, so this is going to help you remove a lot of the low angle parasitic air scattering, which is going to, again, increase your data quality. Capillary stage, which allows you to shoot the X-ray through your sample in transmission geometry. And on the back side, we have the Lynxite XCT. And now the XCT is our detector that is capable of removing a lot of the bad things that you don't want to see in your data. So sample fluorescence, K-beta, and whatnot. So the combination of the detector and the scatter guard are really going to combine to give you better quality data. Once you've collected this data, then we can transfer this over into Topaz to do all of your data refinement for the PDF.
This year new we have the S2 Puma Series 2. It has a brand new detector both for the standard and for the light element version, which gives you 3 times the count. This is not only great for our traditional customers from the cement or building materials industry, but also for new applications that we have seen in the food and forage sector, as well as more and more pharma applications. For material identification, liquid and solid, this system is a very good option. The carousel version also is now equipped with a moving stage, and the software for the system, Spectra Elements, has been updated as well. We have a new algorithm for SmartQuant, the standardless solution for our customers. And speaking of Spectra Elements, this is the software that also powers the S6 Jaguar, the benchtop system which we introduced last year. Also here, SmartQuant has been updated, so it gives you even better results than previously. This is a fully customizable benchtop system running at 400 watts.
Welcome to the new X-ray microscopy lab. Here we have the Skyscan 1275. It was designed for flexibility, versatility, and ease of use. It has a closed X-ray tube for low cost of ownership, a flat panel detector for faster scans, and it is single button programmed for even more ease of use. Over here we have the Skyscan 2214. This is our nano X-ray microscopy solution. It has 4 different detectors and an open loop source capable of 160 kilovolts. With these combinations, you have all the tools for your research and inspection needs.
The M4 Plus Micro XRF instrument is ideal for elemental mapping of large samples. This large sample chamber can hold heavy samples. It's also very fast, higher acquisition times, and we can also detect all the way down to carbon with our light element silicon drift detectors. We have 3 cameras, so you have eyes on your sample at all time, and customizable atmospheres along with different X-ray tubes allows you to really customize your individual analysis. It's so easy to use and customizable that we have one of these in almost any industry you could imagine.
Thanks for joining us. We hope you learned something new.
If you have any questions, or if you'd just like to chat, please check us out in the Denver Conference app, or send an email to the address below.